Buddy Cat really likes Jacket. It's got that flippy little like tag thing. He goes whack 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 whack. You like that tag thing, don't you? It's kind of flippy and wacky. Okay, you can play with the lamp. Okay, you like lamp? Well, maybe not so sure about it because it bounced off the floor. You didn't break the lamp, buddy. You're okay. Oh, he likes sleeping behind the garbage can. That's his favorite blankie. It's a lamp, buddy. Buddy, where'd he go? You cute little buddy. Do you want a pet? You're just doing buddy stuff right now. I should give you some privacy. Okay, right? You're just prowling around doing buddy stuff. Buddy's being buddy. I don't have to hug him all the time. I can let Buddy be Buddy. Just do Buddy stuff. I don't have to drive him crazy. No, no, no. Don't drive Buddy crazy. You can talk to Buddy, but you don't have to hold him all the time and hug him. Just let him walk and be Buddy. Explore the room and stuff. Yeah, scratchy. It's nice and scratchy, right? It's on the floor, nice and safe. It's okay, Buddy. You can do that. You can hug the lamp. It's so cute, isn't it? You want to get on the bed? You want to get on the bed? No? Okay. Cute cat. Cute cat. Cute cat. Oh god, I gotta pick a cat up. Mm-hmm. Cute cat video. Oh no, I'm making cute cat videos. What's happened to Walter? He's going crazy making cat videos. Oh no, it must be love. I think it's love. I love Buddy, and Buddy loves Wallers.